Hello everyone, welcome to CS Codes. This video is about a Python program to display the calendar. First, we have to import the library of calendar, that is import calendar. Next, I am using two variables y and mm for year and month. So in yy variable, in the form of int, we are getting the input from the user as enter the year. So in variable, we are getting the input from the user as enter month in the form of integer, and these two variables stores the value of year and month. So it prints the calendar of the month in the form of yy and mm, that is year and month. Let us enter the year as 2021 and the month as 7. So the calendar is displayed for July 2021.